Good morning everyone, this is Shagun. Welcome to the Akashvani program of Study IQ. Let's start with the important news of the day from where questions can be asked in the examinations. Before moving forward, I'd like to tell you that you can join my Telegram channel for all the updates of Akashvani videos. Let's get started. Ministry of Women and Child Development celebrating 4th Poshan Pakwada. Recently, Poshan Pakwada 2022 was organized by the Ministry of Women and Child Development from March 21, 2022 to April 4, 2022. This was the 4th edition of Poshan Pakwada. The fortnight focused on promoting the role of women in the water conservation and management. Under this, about 3 crore water-related activities were organized across the country. This year, the Poshan Pakwada was based on 2 main themes. Firstly, identification of healthy children, and secondly, integration of modern and traditional practices for a healthy India. Measurement of height and weight of children below 6 years of age, promotion of traditional food for healthy mother and child, especially in tribal areas, raising gender awareness in water management, etc. Poshan Abhiyan was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on March 8, 2018. It aims to improve nutritional outcomes in collaboration with various ministries. The Ministry of Women and Child Development is the nodal ministry for the implementation of Poshan Pakwada. Apart from this, in the states and union territories, the Department of Women and Child Development, Social Welfare Department is the nodal department for Poshan Pakwada. Moving on to the next news. Karnataka, that is at the forefront of malaria control. Karnataka has moved from pre-elimination phase to elimination phase category, showing excellent performing in malaria control. In this regard, the Union Health Ministry has praised Karnataka on the occasion of World Malaria Day. Let us tell you that malaria is mainly seen in tropical countries. Scientists from the ICMR, National Institute of Malaria, reported that Karnataka was endemic to malaria, accounting for 7% to 10% of the total malaria cases in India during the 1990s. Let us tell you that ICMR, National Malaria Research Institute, that is NIMR, was established in 1977. ICMR-NIMR is one of the institutes of Indian Council of Medical Research, which is an autonomous body under the Department of Health Research, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. The central government has targeted to make India malaria-free by 2030. However, the Karnataka government said that by 2027, Karnataka will be malaria-free. Let us tell you that Malaria Day is celebrated on 25th April. And this year's theme is Use Innovation to Reduce the Burden of Malaria and Save Lives. Moving on to the next news. Carbon dating finds Asagar is Odisha's oldest fortified settlement. Recently, the Archaeological Survey of India has done carbon dating of the Asagar Fort settlement located in Odisha. Among the major fortified settlements of the state, the settlement of Asagar Fort is considered to be the oldest. Carbon dating revealed that the settlement dates back to the 9th century BC. Accelerator mass spectrometry radiocarbon technology has been used in the dating. Asagar Fort is located in the Kalahandi district of Odisha. The ancient Asagar Fort site was believed to belong to the Maurya period. The shape of the fort is rectangular and is surrounded by huge walls. The fort was constructed according to the ancient Indian geometric formula. There is a temple at each of its gates. The Archaeological Survey of India, that is ASI, under the Ministry of Culture, is the premier organization for archaeological research and conservation of the country's cultural heritage. Its main function is to maintain ancient monuments and archaeological sites and remains of national importance. Moving on to the last piece of news. Vijay Sampla appointed SC panel chief for the second time. Former Union Minister Vijay Sampla has been appointed as the chairman of the National Commission for Scheduled Caste, that is NCSC, for the second time. Sampla ji had resigned from the post of NCSC president before the Punjab elections. He started his political career as a prominent Dalit politician of Punjab in 1998 as Sarpanch of Sophie Pind village. He was the chairman of Punjab Khadi Board from 2008 to 2012 and became chairman of Punjab State Forest Development Corporation in 2014. Thereafter, he was elected Lok Sabha member from Hoshiarpur and became a union minister in 2015. He was appointed as the chairman of NCSC in 2021. It is a constitutional body. Article 338 of the Indian Constitution mentions the National Commission for Scheduled Caste. Its purpose is to work to protect the interest of scheduled caste, that is SCs, in India. The National Commission for Scheduled Castes and the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes was made separate commissions by the 89th Constitutional Amendment 2003. The National Commission for Scheduled Caste, that is NCSC, under Article 338 and National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, that is NCST, under Article 338A, was constituted. The commission consists of a chairman, a vice chairman, and 3 other members who are appointed by the president. Let's note down the question of the day. In which article the National Commission for Scheduled Caste is mentioned in the Constitution? Option A, 330, option B, 338, option C, 335, and option D, 216. Write your answers in the comment section below. So friends, this was it for today. We'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.